In the depths below, a mystical world unfolds, an underwater jungle where giants sway in the dance of the tides. Kelp forests, with towering fronds reaching toward dim sunlight, create a vibrant community beneath the waves. As a diver descends into this realm, an ethereal beauty envelops them. The kelp, stretching over 50 feet, dances gracefully, resembling the swaying branches of a forest canopy. Schools of fish weave in and out, while vibrant sea stars cling to sturdy stalks. This enchanting landscape teems with life, flourishing in the ocean's embrace. Kelp forests thrive in nutrient-rich waters where land and sea converge, from the chilly shores of Alaska to the temperate waters of California. This type of brown algae flourishes in areas with strong currents and ample light, cultivating a habitat that rivals any rainforest. Sunlight filters through the water, casting shimmering patterns on the sandy sea floor, illuminating creatures that depend on this underwater forest for sustenance and shelter. Kelp provides food and protection for myriad marine species, including fish, sea urchins, and crabs. Kelp grows remarkably fast, up to 2 feet a day under ideal conditions, playing a crucial role in the marine ecosystem by providing sustenance and acting as a carbon sink. As it sways in the current, it creates an intricate web of life, echoing the complexity of terrestrial forests. Creatures from plankton to majestic sea otters thrive here, each contributing to a balanced ecosystem. These forests are alive with activity, their health reflects the broader state of the ocean. Within these kelp forests, towering fronds sway rhythmically to the tide, serving as critical habitats for an astonishing array of marine life. Sunlight filtering through the surface illuminates myriad creatures navigating this vibrant environment. The kelp itself can reach over 50 meters, creating a three-dimensional tapestry beneath the waves. Below this emerald canopy, the seafloor is blanketed in detritus, remnants of decaying matter fueling the life cycle. Organisms such as polychaete worms, brittle stars, and tiny crustaceans find their niches amid this organic debris. Among the intriguing residents is the sea urchin, appearing formidable with its spiny armor yet playing a dual role as both a grazer of kelp and a food source for others. The balance between urchins and kelp is delicate. An explosion in urchin numbers can lead to vast barren areas devoid of kelp, starkly illustrating nature's intricate balance. In contrast, the kelp forest sea otter, with its thick fur and playful demeanor, reigns as a top predator. These otters dive to collect urchins, using tools to pry them open. Their presence is vital. The healthy otter population helps regulate urchin numbers, allowing kelp to flourish, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life. Recent research underscores the need to protect these apex predators, as their decline disrupts the ecosystem. Kelp forests are home to the California sheephead, a fish known for its remarkable sex change from female to male. This adaptation ensures population stability, allowing for reproduction. As these vibrant fish navigate the kelp, their bright colors ripple through the water, resembling jewels in the marine landscape. Researchers are studying kelp's remarkable ability to absorb carbon. 1 acre can sequester the same amount of carbon dioxide as approximately 17,000 trees in a year. This capability makes kelp forests vital habitats and key players in the fight against climate change. Scientists delve deeper into the mechanisms that allow kelp to sequester carbon, potentially revealing pathways for environmental restoration. As we explore, we are enveloped by a constantly shifting tableau, a ballet of life governed by tides and currents. The rhythmic rise and fall of water, the sound of it lapping against buoyant kelp, creates a unique symphony. In summer, kelp thrives, while winter storms can uproot whole beds in mere hours. Shifting our gaze to hidden microcosms, we find microscopic life thriving among the fronds. Diatoms, minute algae, float in the water, their glass-like structures glimmering under sunlight, providing nourishment for filter feeders. Their silicates enrich the seafloor, continuing the nourishment cycle. Kelp behaves like a keystone species, providing food and shelter to countless organisms. Recent studies reveal environmental factors dramatically impact the communities that populate these underwater forests, making kelp an essential indicator of ocean health. As we ascend through the water column, marveling at life below, the fate of the kelp forests is inextricably linked to our own. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing threaten these ecosystems. Declines in kelp forests lead to alarming losses in biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. Preserving them requires urgent action to protect not only the kaleidoscope of life within but also the balance of our planet's health. In moments of quiet in the thriving chaos, we ponder how these kelp forests maintain complex relationships. Some kelp species exhibit remarkable resilience, regrowing from holdfasts even after disturbances. Their regenerative capabilities present a beacon of hope, a story of resilience in an ever-changing world. Yet, as we delve deeper, we uncover a revelation that challenges our understanding of life. A species of kelp, Macrocystis pyrifera, exhibits behaviors akin to plant communication. Recent studies reveal it responds to stressors by releasing chemical signals, triggering neighboring plants to prepare for impending changes. This suggests a level of interconnectedness and communication within these forests that invites us to reconsider life. The kelp forests invite awe and reverence, revealing the delicate balance within our oceans. Every thread in the tapestry of life plays a vital role. As we reflect on our journey through these lush underwater jungles, we grasp the urgency to protect them. Within their depths lie not only the secrets of a hidden world but the promise of a sustainable future. The significance of kelp forests reminds us of the relationship between ocean health and planetary vitality. These ecosystems are not just breathtaking displays, they are the lungs of the sea, producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, crucial in our fight against climate change. The kelp's towering fronds capture sunlight, fueling a complex web of life. This web supports countless species, from tiny sea snails to majestic sea otters, regulating urchin populations and allowing kelp to thrive. In an age of rapid environmental change, the survival of kelp forests is under threat. Pollution, climate change, and overfishing risk the collapse of these ecosystems. Protecting these underwater jungles is not merely about beauty, it is vital for our survival. Kelp forests teach us resilience, revealing how life can flourish against the odds. They remind us that beneath the waves, life adapts and thrives. As guardians of the earth, we must act, advocating for sustainability, supporting conservation, and fostering respect for the ocean's wonders. The kelp forests beckon us to protect their vibrant tapestry, reminding us of our interconnectedness in this vast blue world.